Andy is HCM tall. He is 4 cm taller than his brother. Find their average height in terms of h. Okay, this question involves both algebra and the average concept. So we know that Andy is h centimeter tall and his brother is a little bit shorter. Okay, shorter by how much? Shorter by 4 cm. What is the average height? So to find average height, we need to find their total heights first. That will be Andy's height plus the brother's height divided by these two people. So average is total, okay, total divide by number of items or number of people. Okay, number, NO dot, short form for number. Alright, so you'll have h plus h, that will be 2h minus 4 over 2. Final answer, 2h minus 4 divided by 2.